buli mulembe ogukyuka n'enzimba nayo ekyuka. Kato Akura Construction Services Limited twakuguka nnyo mu kuzimba kwa buli kika okutuukagana n'omulembe. Tuzimba biodigester septic tank tezijjula ate ng'okuzimbibwa etwala ekifo kitono ddala ab'amaka, amasomero, amasinzizo, hotels n'ebifo ebirala. Mwetaaga kabuyonjo ekika kino mutambule n'omulembe. Tukola general construction, okuba plan eza buli kika, okukola finishing, electrical installation, plumbing, okusiba tiles ne painting. Kw'ossa n'okusima enzizi eza buli kika. Tusangibwa Nateete ku Prime Village Mall level 2 room D7. Esimu noti 757 noti 54 nya noti oba noti 772 noti 9 2 Kato Akura Construction Services Limited. Zimba Uganda.
Made a big movement in that direction. As we speak, China has helped us to train Ugandans to teach Chinese, and the first group of students will sit senior 6 this year. So from senior 1 to senior 6 in over 100 schools across Uganda are already teaching Chinese, and people who know how to speak, read, write and listen Chinese are already many, and more are being trained. We have what they call a Confucius classroom, where we are training the language teachers on how to teach Chinese and to our native Ugandans. And Makerere, definitely we are already teaching Chinese, and in this way the language barrier is being broken or is already broken. I appeal to Ugandans, those who wish to come and learn Chinese, that at Makerere we are already offering it in form of a short course where you just come from any background and you learn Chinese for the different levels, which we call HSK. So if you learn from HSK 1, by the time you are through with HSK 3, you can do anything with Chinese.
What is common between Africa and China when it comes to literature? Why do we share in common?
Yeah, it's quite an interesting question. And you see, because we're all human beings, literature is actually about the human mind. Whether it is east or west, right, we can share a lot of views and ideas, even in depths of thinking about the world, who we are and what we are doing. So it is quite much an in-depth reflection of the human mind in a literary work. So in order to understand both countries, we have to understand what two people are thinking about.
When we look at China and Africa,